though, almost invisible. There's some text. He had a chain that snapped this morning, which is a really unusual in modern day motorbike race. Top at this moment in time, and we'll see whether he could better that 1 minute 31.9 out front at the moment. But Dobby doing the job. The Professor is here at Le Mans. This is qualifying, I should say, FP2 rather, coming up in a moment.
It's Andrea De Vittorio perfectly. He's always planning for the race. He's always not pushing guys. He's seeing where they're faster. He's telling the guys in the garage where the other bikes are better, even stronger. I really noticed him this morning. Just trying to pick up on a few other bits that the other guys are doing.
Different Marquez when he comes out of the track at the beginning of the year. Yeah. This year, slightly more...
it's improving and changing and learning.
Yeah, that phrase about can't teach long runs early on just to get a real... Oh, hang on, that's not what you want to see. There are places with no grip that you can't quite fathom. Moto3 guys, and that, he's obviously launched that up on the way out of there, hasn't he?
Yeah, well, this is very strange something.
Yeah.
David obviously thinking exactly the same.
And on the way out... Yeah, but he also looks actually remarkably steady. He doesn't look like a fast...
Let's have a...
Hang on.
He's just explaining that he...
Hang on, Morbidelli gets it set up and Marc is right in pairs with his 132.2 of this morning. So they're kind of easing into it a bit now. That's Rins coming through. Wait for just trail breaking it in, and it's one of those kind of racetracks where you always get a shock here. There's always something unexpected.
How hard Paul's working to work with the team. Oh, Marc just losing the rear
at the moment. Third place in Qatar earlier on in the year.
On his sleeve, just Paul. He's very
Well, we'll watch teammate Jean Zarco make his way around it. I was going to say, Jean...
As much as Jean-Michel Bayle has on dirt and been from the bike, he was off the rear brake. He was engine brake. It's like the bike's got too short. Marquez looked this morning, or as the time sheets were.
So that's all part of it, isn't it, that we were talking about? It's about how they're dialing that bike in. Before Alcaraz's gone down, that would have been trying to get that time in. We don't know how.
All through the first sector, so yeah, pushing off there, Cal, and very similar crash to what we saw.
You're right, Dobby probably didn't. I remember that. He kind of was lost any time coming into sector 4 because of that Petrucci move. Lost a bit. Top of the tree. These are the time attacks you were talking about. Just under 2 minutes of this free practice.
Yeah, he looks.
Dobby lost loads of time in the 4th sector then.
I've seen that all day with the
Blimey. And that's what took his time away as well. Yeah, I'll be okay just picking the Aprilia up. It's the end of his session. Just a minute to go.
Fabio QUARTARARO, that was expected at the end. Just get the impression he's just pushing the bike to the limits at the minute, Paul. Just trying to...
Session. 4 in the first session, so they've had 15 crashes over the 2.
There's 2 people down there. He could have...
From either of them, so that makes me think that perhaps... it's easy to follow someone in though if someone's crashed. You can flags out.
Yellow flags everywhere. He saw anti-climax at the end of the session with so many yellow flags on the line.
Wow! It's a crash fest at Le Mans. Was it here that we had the most?
I seem to remember, was it a wet weekend somewhere? Let's have a look at the crash.
Oh, he just ran on. Yeah, that's pretty...
He nearly made it to the top. See Maverick, it looks like he ran out of fuel on his last lap. At the end, he would have been in that top 10 quite comfortably, I think. But if there is a rain around in the morning, this guy was impressive though, Keith, after Jerez.
All the way to respond to it. I don't know whether you had the opportunity to see the interview that